Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are reviewing the M416. This is for ages 12 and older. Storage, high speed, accurate, and long range. And check this out. Woo! That is awesome, my friends. Look at that. Check that out. That is really nice. So you put everything together. So you twist the stock. This is the stock. You twist it to the side, and then the battery will be placed in here. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. Here is the scoop that they provide. An extra clip, ammunition, and the batteries. As you guys can see, charging cable for the batteries as well. So for this, there's a safety feature. You switch it and it'll turn off. Now for this, you feed the power cable through here. So you just kind of feed that through there, and the stock will slide in, and then you'll lock it in place. And then twist it, and now it's in place. Now you got the stock lined up and in place here. Now you're gonna go ahead and take your battery and you plug this in like that, and the battery will go inside. So you just feed that right through. All right, now you put your stock back on. Make sure you line it up right though. And there you go. Now it's completely on. As you pull the trigger, nothing happens, but you turn the safety off. Now you go ahead for this. You can place it on however you want for your hand position. So once you place this on like this, you put this little piece back on and you thread this back over. And then you're able to adjust this. So whatever position you want, you can adjust it and then make it tight so it doesn't move. So we got it right at the position we want it. Now it won't move, so we're good to go. Just like that. You have the ammunition. So once you put these in water, make sure you read the directions and everything. You put this in water and the beads fill up, then they go inside here. Once you have that completely full, let's see here. Place it up like that, and it will feed them just like that. So guys, I do want to point out, when you put the cartridge in, on the other side there is this button, so you press that button to pull this out. If you try and pull it out without the button in, you might break it. So press the button in, pull this out, and you're good to go. All right, so we made a ton of ammo. And to put the ammo in, you slide this piece up on the cartridge and just pour them in there. And now we're ready to go. All right,